Anybody feeling weird? No? Good? Okay.
I would have tried to lick my lips.
Oh, did it say your phone is charging?
Yeah.
It does.
Actually, I can't tell. That's an iPhone.
I can
Number
tell.
iPhone.
Oh, you know, it's not even showing right now because I got it on the video mode.
Okay. Well, I turned on the Xbox just in case, but I know it's already I'm pretty sure it's powering. So we're starting with a nice gentle cleanse. Cleansing the face. And she is perfect. She has a wonderful face to work with.
Mm-hmm.
We normally have people's faces janky. It's crazy. All messed up.
Right.
But no worries, you can get the same treatment. You're going to see how the peel feels, how the...
I hope so because I actually need a pill.
Mm-hmm. So I got you. We're going to work it out.
Wonderful. Do you have any sponges?
If I was to ever do this kind of business, I think I feel so weird with gloves. I've worked gloves like so many times and I clean it, and I just feel like I just want to throw something somewhere.
Yeah, I like working with them and without them because I'm just like, I like to feel the skin and.
Yeah, and them gloves be irritating the hell out of me.
Yeah. So dry.
Is that water too hot?
No. That's a drop. Look at your strap.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. That was too dry. Yeah.
Alright, sponges are ready. Yep.
How your skin feel? Any tingling or anything?
Nope.
Nope.
Mhm.
Okay. See how I can get this off.
Yeah. Oh, they're in there, the sponges.
Oh, they're in there?
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
No problem.
I like doing that lather. So that's just so satisfying. Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
What's the sponges?
Yeah, they're just little compressed sponges. They take off product pretty good. Yeah, sorry, I probably should have just had my little table set up because there's a little wooden table that I normally use. In my office, I have a little trolley or cart right next to me, so it's easy just to maneuver
Yeah.
and take off product.